Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to make carrot pakoras. Ingredients required to make this carrot pakoras are I have grated 2 carrots. Here I have spring onion. Here I have tomatoes, green chilies, onion, garlic, sugar a little bit, black pepper powder, salt. Here I have maida, all-purpose flour, 1 egg and little bit of semolina, it is suji. So the very first step that we are going to do, we are going to mix up everything. I have chopped 1 tomato and 1 onion and little bit of spring onion, and we'll mix this up. Once when all these things are mixed, we will put this chopped carrots in it. And now we will mix it. We are going to add the maida, egg, a little bit of semolina. The quantity depends as we want it to bind. If required, we'll put little oil, we'll put little water also, and we'll use oil for frying. You can add little coriander leaves also if you have it at home. This is good enough for binding, so I won't add anything else. Now we'll make small balls like this and we'll keep it ready. Now we have made the balls and we have kept it ready for frying. Here we are heating mustard oil for frying. Now as you can see, our oil is hot. We'll reduce the flame and we'll drop these balls slowly into the oil. Now we will turn this little bit so that it gets cooked on both the sides. I am cooking this in low flame right now because it needs to get cooked from inside too. After 2 minutes cooking in low flame, we will cook in high flame so that our pakoras become crispy. It's cooked on high flame now. We will take it out from the oil. And we will place it in a container or a bowl. We will repeat the same procedure with the remaining balls. Here are our crispy fried carrot pakoras ready. Very simple to make, tasty, and we can make this in less time. I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you get the updates of my new recipes. Till then, see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.